What's up, guys? It's Raph in the Raph Cave, and welcome back to another unboxing. Now, this here is another edition of the Philips Hue lights that I adore. I love. My entire Raph Cave has all Philips Hue lights. And now we got the dual play bar package right here to unbox for you guys, show you what's inside. Now, Philips Hue guys, I love them. Now, they're energy efficient. Their LEDs are going to last you 20 years, 20,000 hours of life. And you can customize them for how bright you want them, how dim you want them, the shades of white, the different colors if you want, 16 million colors. You can make any kind of pattern you want. Tons of online apps on your phone through Apple and Google Play Store that you can sync with your music. Sync now, especially now if you get the Hue Play Sync, the sync bar. I did an unboxing of that. Check it out. Guys, this thing is a game changer. You get your HDMI devices hooked up to this thing and you have some Philips Hue lights in your room. I'm telling you, man, it's a whole new experience watching movies, playing video games. I love them. Check out my live streams if you want to see them in action with my webcam. It's amazing. But guys, you get two play bars here. What's great about this, it's a light strip. It's a bar. Basically, it's super cool to have ambient light behind a TV or in the corner somewhere or behind your chair, or behind something. What's really great about this is there's a couple different platforms for them. You can have them vertically standing or you can have them horizontally standing. There's also some stickers inside here where you can stick it behind your TV on left and right. So you got that edge of light coming out from behind it. Or you can do top or bottom. You can get up to 4 of these to put in all 4 corners of your TV. That'd be the perfect way to go if you really want to do it right. I got a couple of these already. I have them behind me on the wall, here and back there. They're sweet. I'm going to put these on both of my left and right speakers beside my TV so I can have all this cool light going behind the screen. It's going to be amazing. All right, guys, without further ado, I'm going to unbox this for you, show you what's inside, and then if you want to check these out, watch my previous videos. Now, of course, with any Philips Hue lights, you got to have the bridge. It's that little white puck. Got to have the bridge. Get that first, and then you can add as many lights as you want. And then, of course, on the app that you download, that's where you add the lights to it, and you put them in a group. You put them in whatever room you made. So for me, I have a PC area, I have a home theater area, and I have my TV area. They're all different groups. And especially if you want to do it even better, make an entertainment group. That way you can actually strategically place the lights around your screen of where you're sitting. That's a really good way to go. I love these things, guys. Once you get a couple of them, you're addicted. You want to keep getting them to fill up your room, your area. It's fantastic. All right, guys, let's get it unboxed. I'm Raph. Welcome to the stream. Like, subscribe, share. Welcome to the club. Let's get it, guys. All right, guys, here's the front of the box. Philips Hue white in color ambient light bar. Compact design, full light experience. Comes with the power cord, of course, in the box. Power adapter. The side, here's the top of it. So this is what I'm going to do. Basically, I'm going to put one on the left side and one on the right side of the screen. So that way it's illuminating the walls and the background around the screen. And you can have them vertically too. And there's a couple different bases that you can screw them to keep them vertical like this. There's also stickies, of course, so you can put it behind your TV. But you can put them anywhere, guys. This is a really, really great, versatile light. Here's the pads here. The mounting base is one here, and then there's one here, the power brick, and then your 2 bars. And then make sure you have this bridge. Got to have that first. Great stuff. 6.6 watts, 530 lumens, LED. All right, let's get this guy unboxed. You know what time it is, guys. Black pin. All right. Looks like there's one sticker. That's it. Open this guy up here. Couple instructions here. Welcome. How to set it up. All that good stuff. All good. There. So here is your bar. Got a couple screws in the back. One if you want to go vertical, and the one in the middle if you want to go horizontal. It's got probably about a 4.5-foot cord. Take these two out. Couple flaps. And there's the inside, guys. So you have the two vertical stands here, and then the two horizontal stands here. You get these little stickies here that you can put on the base and then stick it to your back of your TV or whatnot. Here's a USA power adapter here, and your power brick where you can plug in 3 different bars into one power adapter. All right, guys, there's what's in the box. Be right back. Got them hooked up. Now what I put them on is just the simple platform here. And they're bright. It's awesome. So with this little stand here, you can mount it to your TV like this, or like this, or you can put it on top, or you can put it on the bottom and just stick it to your TV. Or you can make them like stand up straight like this. So there's a lot of different configurations, but I'm gonna leave it like this for now. Now, ideally you want to have a wall, right behind your TV, so that it illuminates the wall and it looks amazing. But since I don't have that luxury, I'm just gonna face them outward. So that way it kind of illuminates all of this in the back of the screen. So that's gonna be cool. All right, guys. And then of course the app right here. So right now it's on the Galaxy. Let's say I want to go to like, let's see, Soho. Yeah, change a little bit. Hold on, let me get all my lights. Tokyo. See how that kind of change here? Green screen there. Change a lot of colors. Super cool, guys. Awesome. Love it. With the app, you can change all kinds of colors too. You just go move it around. Here it is. I found it. Purple, red, green, blue, right? All kinds of cool stuff you can do with Philips Hue. All right, guys, I'm going to head out. Thanks for watching this unboxing of the light bar. Pretty amazing, man. I'm good. I have enough lights in the Raft Cave right now. I'm pretty good. So you guys get your own lights and place them throughout your entertainment area. And of course, guys, don't forget Philips Hue Sync HDMI box to make all your lights come to life with whatever's on your TV. All right, guys, you have a good day. Thanks for watching Home Theater Rules. As always, Raft Cave out.